Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I'm so very excited for this video because this is the first episode of a new series that I'm starting on this channel. And so that series is actually building a built to sell brand. And so basically, what I'm going to be doing is basically just every single episode, it'll be me progressing further down the steps of actually building a brand. And you're going to see, the raw reality of what it actually takes to build a brand here right now in 2026. And so, yeah, like I said, this first episode is basically just going to be focusing on the product and the brand that I have already selected out. So today is January 4th. By the time you're watching this video, it's going to be January 5th. And so today I have finalized my product and finalized my brand. And so that's going to be episode 1. And then, like I said, there's going to be other episodes later on, such as like episode 2. The next one will be actually building the store. And then there will be one of like running paid ads and just all of the actual steps that it takes to build a built to sell brand. And so in this episode here, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about the product that I've chosen. And so since this is a built to sell brand, I haven't chosen some random product like what my actual past stores have been. I've actually chosen a sleep formula supplement. Okay. And so I'm actually selling a sleep formula supplement in this channel or in this episode, and it's going to be actually an actual brand. So you might be thinking like, you're actually selling a supplement? Isn't that like super complicated and all of like the rules and FDA and regulations and stuff? And so that is a perfect segue into my tech stack that I'm going to be using in this brand. And so basically the tech stack that I'm going to be currently using is Squarespace, Supplyful, and then Meta Ads. And so I'll quickly define all three of those really quickly. So Squarespace is my website hosting platform, and that is actually going to be the platform that my website is on. And so unfortunately, I still don't have Shopify. If you guys want to know, what happened to my Shopify account, you can watch my latest video, which was my 2025 recap. But basically, I don't have Shopify yet. In about 2 months, I will. In February, when I turn 18, I'll get it back. So that's going to be absolutely wonderful. But unfortunately, I have to use Squarespace for this challenge, which obviously does, limit a lot of the stuff I can do and it'll probably hurt my conversion rate, unfortunately, throughout this brand, because Squarespace is just simply not good with its checkout features and with just all of the stuff you can customize and edit. It's just not as professional as Shopify. So I will be using Squarespace, and then I will also be using Supplyful. And so that is actually going to be the, supplier for my supplements. So I'm sure you guys have heard of print-on-demand websites for clothing. Basically, what Supplyful is a make-on-demand supplement supplier. So it's basically, they have a huge catalog of a bunch of supplements that you can choose from that are already created. The, ingredients are already created. And so basically all you do is you just add your branding and your label on it. So it's basically just a white label, make on demand supplement platform. And that's what I'm going to be using. And then obviously Meta Ads for my actual running paid ads, which we'll get to in another episode. So now that we have that finalized, I'm going to actually throw up a screenshot right now of the mock-up of my product. So basically today I was working on this. I was basically just editing the label for my product, editing the logo. So that's the logo right there for Mel. It's basically just kind of like a more feminine name because this product is actually going to be targeted towards women. But basically that's the mock-up right there. It's really clean, really good. As you can see, for Mel, night unwind, evening capsules, a calming nightly ritual for deep restorative sleep. So ultimately, guys, yeah, that is the product reveal. That is what I'm going to be selling in this series and in this branded dropshipping brand that I'm starting here. So very exciting. That's what I'm going to be selling. And then the very next episode, I'm going to be actually building a website. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be super exciting. I have a bunch of things planned, more professional things than my past websites. And it's going to be really good. I'm sure that you guys are going to learn a lot of value from this challenge here and from this attempt. And hopefully it's just valuable for you guys, and hopefully also entertaining to watch me build in public every single episode what I'll be doing. So next episode is building the website. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to stay tuned, subscribe to stay tuned with the challenge here, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.